Hey guys, it's Alex here from alextube.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a few Instagram hacks and features you may not know existed. I did a video like this a long time ago that you guys loved, so make sure you check it out after you watch this video. Also, if you weren't aware, I have a totally free Instagram training that I get so much positive feedback on, so I definitely think you should watch it. Inside, I share 10 Instagram secrets you probably haven't heard before and how I made $250K with Instagram last year. The link to sign up is above and in the description box below. All right, let's get started. In no particular order, we have muting Instagram stories. So maybe you have this friend that you love and that you follow on Instagram, but for some reason you just hate watching her Instagram stories. If that's the case, then you can go ahead and mute her stories without unfollowing her or her ever finding out that that's the case. So when you log on to Instagram and you see the list of new stories at the top of your screen, just press and hold on the account you want to silence, and from there you'll see the mute button. Again, this person will not know that you've done this, and you get to be on your way without ever having to watch their story again. Video chatting in your DMs. So just like with an iPhone, you can FaceTime someone, and with your computer, you can Skype someone. Now Instagram allows you to have video chats within your DMs. So when you access your Instagram DMs, you're gonna see a little camera icon on the top right. If you go ahead and click that, you can choose whoever you wanna have a video call with. So this could be someone that you know and are friends with, or it could be an absolute stranger. It's totally up to you. Now keep in mind, some of the features and hacks that I share with you today may not be available on every person's account. Instagram is really weird with the way that they roll out features, so I might have a feature that you do not have access to, and unfortunately that's just the way it is. Features also vary depending on the type of account that you have. So for example, some of these are available on a business account and some are available on personal and not the same. Again, I don't have control over this. Instagram's weird, it's their problem. I hope that you have all of these features, and if not, the best thing you can do is go and update your Instagram app, and that usually should give you all of the newest features. So next is what I'm calling quick links. So when you are on someone's Instagram feed, but you're not actually scrolling through their individual photos, you can press and hold on any image of your choice, and from there you can like, comment, or send them a message. So this is just a quick and handy tool to interact with someone's content in a different way. Then we've got the Find Related Accounts button. So when you're on someone's Instagram page, look to the far right of the follow button and you should see a down arrow. When you click on that arrow, it's going to show you a number of different accounts that are similar to the one that you're currently on. This makes it really easy to find similar accounts and more content that you've already proven to be interested in. So I use this all the time for finding stuff that I'm interested in, but also for researching my competitors. So I might go to a competitor, use that down arrow, and find a few others to see what they're up to. Pinning comments. This is one of Instagram's newer features where they allow you to pin a comment to the top of your comment section. In fact, you can pin up to 3 comments if you choose. So this is a great way to pin something that you personally have said that you want to make sure everyone sees, or you can pin other people's comments that, maybe are a glowing testimonial, have important facts, or just something that you want everyone else to see. So to do that, all you have to do is swipe left on the pin of your choice and you'll see a little pin icon. By clicking that, it's going to pin it to the top of your comment section and also send them a notification letting them know that you chose their pin. With that, you may also notice that there is a delete and report button. So you can either delete comments the same way, or you can report it if it's spam. Additionally, from your comment section, you can go ahead and click the 3 dots icon in the top right, and from there choose Manage Comments. From this screen, you can actually bulk manage your comments. So say you have a bunch of spam, you can go ahead and select all of the comments that you want to delete, block, or restrict. So when you delete them, obviously they're deleted. When you block them, you're going to block that person from your account. And when you restrict them, that person will still be able to see your page and comment on your post, but no one else will actually be able to see it, including you. So they're just fully blocked without even knowing it. Did you know that you can share your Instagram content to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and more? Well, you may have noticed it when you go to publish a post on Instagram that you can actually choose to also publish it to those places at the same time. But what I encourage you to do is actually wait until afterwards, because it changes how it functions. So once you've published to Instagram, go ahead and navigate to that post, then click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. From there, choose Share. Now you'll see that you have the same option to share these piece of content to different platforms, but now you can actually change the caption. So you can write an entirely different caption, or you can do what I do, which is scroll down to the bottom where I have my CTA, where I typically would say, click the link in my bio, and then I will change it to click the link or click here to receive XYZ or to visit this page, whatever it may be, and actually include the URL. So as you know, on Instagram, you cannot click a URL within your caption, but when you publish it over to Facebook or Twitter, etc., you can. So you definitely want to change the caption before you cross promote so that you get the most out of that one singular piece of content. Then we have sorting your following. So when you go to your account and click the following button, you will see a few new buttons that give you some insight on the people that you're following. So first, you'll be able to see the people that you have least interacted with, as well as the people that you interact with the most. And also, if you click this button, you'll be able to sort your following by most recent or earliest. Now, there's a few ways that you can use this data. I personally like to use it for marketing and making sure that I'm interacting with my followers strategically, and that's something that I do teach inside my program, the Instagram Ivy League. So if you haven't heard of my course before, then definitely click the link in my description box below to check it out, because inside I teach my exact step-by-step strategies that allow me to build a loyal following, promote my business, and make money with Instagram, basically on autopilot. So go ahead and click that link below if you want to learn more about the Instagram Ivy League. The next hack is quick replies. So if you are someone who gets a lot of repeat questions from fans, followers, or potential customers, you're gonna love this hack. So what you need to do is go to your DMs, open up a recent message that you've received, and in the bottom right, you'll see a plus icon. Once you click that, you will see an icon that looks like a chat bubble. Click that, and from here, you can set up your quick replies. So what this allows you to do is type out a shortcut, which then generates a full message that you can then send to anyone who's asked you a specific question that you were anticipating. So to do this, click the plus icon again, and from here you can fill out what you want your message to be and what you want the shortcut to be in order to generate that message. So it's up to you if you want to make a quick reply for all the questions that you get answered, or if you just need one or two to help you stay on top of your inbox. Either way, this is a super helpful tool. And the last hack I'm going to share with you today is that you can delete your followers. So I know that sounds crazy, but you might actually want to delete or remove some of your followers if they are not active and they haven't been engaging with your content. They're also known as ghost followers and often bring down the engagement rate of your entire account because they're following you but not engaging with you. So to do this, all you have to do is go to your profile, go to your following list, and on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a button that says remove. By clicking that, you force someone to stop following you, which effectively removes them as a follower and can help increase your engagement rate. Now, how you choose which person to remove is a bit complex, and I think everyone has their own methods. I, again, personally teach this method in my Instagram Ivy League, as well as in my free training that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So both those links are in the description box below if you want to check out those resources. But basically, you're looking for people that you can tell are spam accounts, aren't active, or might not actually care about what you're posting. So once you find them, hit remove, and that will effectively improve your engagement rate. So those are the most recent new features and hacks that I've seen on my Instagram account, but I would love to know if there's anything that I missed or one that you really like to use. So if you do have one, then just let me know in the comments below. And as always, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.